Hello, my lucky, 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 lucky charms. On today's video, I'm going to be doing some soft spoken because it is a giveaway and also a asking you personal questions K-pop edition. I have two free tickets for Twice's concert on the 27th in New York. It's simple. All you have to do is answer the questions in this video. First come, first serve. There are only 3 rules. The first rule is all answers are final. Once you comment, you cannot edit it. Since this is a first come, first serve, it is very important to make sure you have all your answers correct. You cannot edit your answers, but you can resubmit them. You can't submit more than 1 comment. So if you are going to change an answer, or if you got an answer wrong, or you missed a question, please delete the previous comment or you will not qualify. The second rule is to make sure you add your social media handle at the end of the video so that I can get in contact with you to give you your tickets. If you do not answer my DM, I will be giving the ticket to the next person. The third rule is you must be 18, and if you are not, please have a guardian contact me as well as meeting me at the concert. Those are the rules. So let's begin the video. I have my computer here to write down your answers. I have my computer here to write your answers. I have your computer here to write your answers. Please answer as correctly as possible and do not miss or skip a question or your test will be disqualified. Okay? Let's begin. When did Twice debut? Okay. What show did Twice debut on? Okay. What was Twice's debut song? Good. What are the names of the members? Answer slowly. Is that all? Okay. List the members from oldest to youngest, please. Again. Okay. List 5 title tracks, please. Okay. What generation is Twice a part of? Great. What was the name of Twice's first tour? Okay. What is their latest album called? Okay. What company is Twice a part of? Okay, it's fine. Okay, great. Which members took hiatuses? Yes, it's very important. Member or members? But if it is more than one, you have to write more than one. If it is only one, you have to write just one. Okay, name 3 B-side tracks, please. Yeah. Okay. You're doing fine. You're doing fine. Now, who is Twice's leader? Okay. Yeah. Don't worry. Who are the main dancers? Who are the main vocalists? Okay. Who are the main rappers? Who is the tallest and shortest member in Twice? What are some shows or programs Twice has featured in? They must be able to be searched up on YouTube. Must be more than one answer, by the way. What is the iconic line in Cheer Up? What is Dahyun's animal dance in Alcohol Free? Name 4 animals that represent Twice members. Name 4 animals that represent Twice members. Who is a part of J Line? Okay. Name 1 Japanese comeback. Fill in the blank. Day blank. S blank Z. Got blank. Blank blank Z Y. They are a part of JYP fam. There are 4 answers there. Which of the members have been in public relationships, and with whom? Okay. Okay. What are 4 of the members' favorite colors? Okay. What are 2 popular Twice ships? Okay. What was the first date for the US tour? This most recent one, by the way. Okay. What is the last date for the US tour? Which member was eliminated from the debut show and brought back to debut twice? Which Stray Kids member is Sana closest with? Okay. We are almost done. 3 more questions, okay? Name one twice pet. Name at least. So the animal and the name of the animal. Okay. What is the name of their first English language single? When did Stray Kids debut? You didn't think I was gonna ask you that. When did ITZY debut? Okay, great. I think we're done with the test. I will give you your results soon. Please be on the lookout, okay? Great. If you comment, please have it in mind that you already won. If you are comment number 10, please assume that you've already won, because you don't know if the 9 people that have commented previous to you have all the answers right. They could all be wrong and you could be the one that gets the ticket. So please have faith, trust your answers, make sure that they are all correct, and I will see you on the next video with the winner. I will announce the winner on the next video and on Instagram, so please be on the lookout. I will see you later, my lucky charm.